subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQoo has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone in China called iQoo Z1. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo Z1 features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it supports up to 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the iQoo Z1 supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a squarish module that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 112° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on iQoo UI skin on the top. The device comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery that supports 44 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with super liquid cooling system that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual band 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.97 by 75.53 by 8.93mm and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo Z1 has been priced in China for 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 2,198 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2,498 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,798 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Galaxy Silver and Space Blue color options, and it will go on sale starting from June 1st. So, what do you guys think of this iQoo Z1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.